Hey everyone, hoping you're all doing well. Welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make these delicious jerk sweet chili wings. Stay with me and let's get started on this recipe. Before I season my chicken wings, I have cleaned it with lemon and water and I've cut it into two, so I have the drumette and also the flats. I'm now going to add all my seasonings, and guys, feel free to season your wings using your preferred seasonings of choice. As I've added all my seasonings, I'm now going to add the already made jerk seasoning to the chicken wings. I cannot be bothered to make my jerk seasoning from scratch. However, if you do want to know how to make jerk seasoning from scratch, I do have the recipe on this channel. I'm now going to add olive oil, and next I will mix everything together well. I have finished mixing everything together, so I'm going to refrigerate the chicken wings and allow it to marinate overnight. However, if you don't have time, allow it to marinate at least 2 hours. The next day, I have taken the chicken wings out of my refrigerator and I'm going to be grilling the chicken wings using my air fryer. So what I'm going to do next is place the chicken wings on my air fryer rack. However, if you don't have an air fryer, you can bake the chicken wings in the oven. Once I have my chicken wings on my air fryer rack, I'm going to allow the chicken wings to air fry for 30 to 40 minutes. If you are using the oven, allow the chicken wings to cook for at least 1 hour at 200 degrees. And 30 to 40 minutes later, as you can see, the chicken wings are ready. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add sweet chili sauce to a mixing bowl, and next I would add the chicken wings and I'll just coat the chicken wings in the sweet chili sauce. I'm just going to mix everything together to ensure that the chicken wings are fully coated in the sweet chili sauce, and next I'm going to serve and enjoy these. And voila, the jerk sweet chili wings are ready. They look so good, and guys, they taste amazing. You get a spiciness from the jerk sauce and of course the sweetness from the sweet chili sauce. You have to try this recipe. As always, thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so, and click that notification bell which will notify you whenever I post delicious recipes like this. Enjoy your chicken wings and I'll see you next time. Bye.